tried more dishes from Nonos. At dahil last day ng 50% off promo nila, with BPI Visa Signatures card nung last day of June, nag-take advantage na kami kasi mamimiss kong kumain dito sa Nonos. Sana ibalik nila yung promo. This time, sinubukan naman namin yung mga never tried pa namin sa mga menu nila. Aminin natin, pricey talaga kumain dito. Kaya very helpful talaga yung mga 50% off promo ng mga credit cards. Bago to sa menu nila, this is Chicken Asian Salad. May corn, eggs, crispy wontons, bacon, and Asian dressing. This is their Pinoy-style beef steak naman. Super duper good din. This is my favorite sa mga in-order namin. Very tender USDA beef. May crispy and caramelized onions. This one staple order na namin kasi favorite to ng son ko. He likes this crispy chicken and yung waffles nila is good too. Para siyang croissant na nilagay sa waffle maker. I love the buttery and flaky texture. Kaya naman no complaints na ako kapag ito yung order ng son ko. First time lang din namin matry itong salmon fillet with creamy hollandaise sauce. Meron siyang mashed potatoes, asparagus, and mixed greens. Perfectly cooked yung salmon, flaky yung flesh, and bagay na bagay yung sauce. May pagkatangi yung sauce kaya perfect contrast sa salmon. And of course, dito na rin ako nag-coffee. Ice mocha para maiba naman. Yung lagi ko kasing in-order dito is yung ice salted caramel macchiato nila. Good experience kami this time. Okay na okay lahat ng in-order namin.